Hey everyone, it is Man here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an Obby checkpoint system on Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is get this model here, and I will put the link in the description. So once you've loaded up your game, you want to go over to the toolbox, and if you don't see the toolbox, go to View and then click on Toolbox. You want to go over to the Inventory section, and then if you bought the model, it will show up here, the Obby checkpoint system model. We're going to go ahead and insert it into the game. Go back to the Explorer, and I'm just going to go ahead and drag this into Server Script Service. Now to make this script work, there are a few things we have to do. So first, I'm going to go over to the workspace, right click, insert object, and then click on folder. And we're going to call this folder checkpoints. Make sure that you spell this correctly with a capital C because otherwise the script won't work. And so next what we're going to do is drag the checkpoints into this folder. So I'm going to click the first checkpoint, and then I'm going to hold shift and then click on the second one, and then so on. And then I'm going to drag them all into the checkpoints folder. So the next thing we have to do is name the checkpoints by their stage number. So I'm going to go over to the first checkpoint, and we're going to call this 1. So change the name property to 1. And then for the second checkpoint, I'm going to change it to 2, and then so on. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit play. And as you can see, the leaderboard is over here. It says stage, and then I'm on stage 1. So let's complete the first stage. And if I step on the second checkpoint, it now changes to stage 2. And if I reset character, you can see that I spawn on stage 2. Now one thing you may have noticed is that when I reset my character, I actually spawn facing this way, but I want to make it so that it makes me spawn facing forward. So to do that, we need to rotate the checkpoints and make them face forward. So I'm going to go over to the first checkpoint, and then go to home, and then click on the rotate tool, and then just make it face forward. And we have to do this for every single one, but a trick you can do is actually copy the orientation here once you've changed the rotation of the first checkpoint, and then we're going to select all the other checkpoints and then just paste in the orientation like that. And if I go ahead and hit play and I reset my character, it now makes me face forward. Also, another thing I should mention is that you want to make sure your checkpoints are not spawn locations, and you want to make sure that they're normal parts, because if they're spawn locations, the script won't work properly. This script will also save your progress in the Obby, so if you publish your game and hit play, and I go ahead and complete the first stage, now I'm on stage 2, I'm going to go ahead and leave the game, and then rejoin.
Bruh.
And if I go ahead and rejoin, you can see that I am still on stage 2. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I will see you all in the next video.